Hello kids, welcome to my channel. It's time to learn the words that start with W. W is for window. W is for wolf. Wolf. W is for watermelon. W is for wheel. W is for watch. W is for wasp. W is for whale. W is for windmill. It's W. W is for water. W is for well. W is for worm. W is for web. W is for world. W is for witch. W is for walk. W is for women. W is for whistle. W is for wagon. W is for wedding. W is for wall. W is for wallet. W is for walnut. W is for woodpecker. W is for white. W is for wheat. W is for waves. W is for walrus. W is for whale. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.